I know you're tired of this pattern. One up and three below.
So I'll leave in about 10 minutes, yeah? I'll leave now. Don't stop. Don't stop. Got you. Yep. Yep. Okay. Yep. Never stop. Got you. Alright. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. 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 Guess we're off. It's not like I don't love my job. I do. Mhm. But you know, sometimes I feel like I travel around a lot, but I don't actually see anything. It's like my dad used to say, Ernie, it's such a big world. What are you doing in my house? And he was right. He was right. You know, my wife has been begging me for years to take her to Venice, but you know, baby steps, right? First, let's go to Scunthorpe. Or, yeah, Scunthorpe. Let's do Scunthorpe first, and then Carlisle. Carlisle's meant to be all right. Then Rill maybe, and then you know Edinburgh, and then Devon maybe, and then Brighton. Brighton's meant to be really nice. I've never been on a plane. Have you been on a plane? Yeah. Sorry. Sorry. Never stop. You should never stop. Boss's rule: never stop. Don't understand it personally, but you know, drive-through's not stopping, is it? Eh?
I can take order, please.
Right. Could I get a 5-piece chicken select meal with a chocolate milkshake, please?
Medium or large?
Medium. Oh, sorry, you didn't want anything, did you? I'm kidding. Oh no! No! Shit! Oh, I didn't stop. I didn't. I was just driving really slowly around the McDonald's. I want the chocolate milkshake. But there's a queue, and if I got out and went after her and held up the queue and... Alright, okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay. I'm on my way.
When you're chasing after what matters, your heart knows where to go. If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining, you know you'll have a hand to hold.
You alright, love? You fancy going to Venice?
Yeah, there's more than one way.